So hi guys, sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nokuphila. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi mangaba ka subscribe mntaka baba, like video, share video njalo. And yeah man. So guys, kunodaba lana olumayelana nomyeni kaGogo Sikhotheni uMonde Shange. If I can rewind going back to ikhona into engangike ngayizwa mayelana nokuthi umyeni kaGogo Sikhotheni ngathi ke ungumuntu interested kwamanye amadoda ngeke ngayizwa somewhere if I can find ke leya clip la kwakukhulunywa khona ke ngokuthi umyeni kaGogo Sikhotheni uyawathanda amanye amadoda. I think somewhere ka MacG ngake ngahlala nayo leyo nto leyo, ngabuye yangathi iba I think nogogo Maweni phakathi into ikanjalo. If I didn't lie kukhulunywa nje ukuthi he is bisexual, into ikanjalo nje. You guys, not that I'm saying it's a bad thing, I'm just saying ukuthi sasike sezwa something like that ukuthi umyeni kaGogo Sikhotheni ke ungumuntu o interested kwamanye amadoda. Ngabona la uGogo Sikhotheni ayephendula khona ekhuluma ngokuthi akanankinga yena mangabe ke makukuthi phela umyeni wakhe uyathanda amanye amadoda, angahamba ke kula madoda ke ngoba yena phela engekakwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ezingekho ezingahambisani nokuthi phela yena something like that, guys. I don't want to go into that information too much, okay? Ngiyaxolisa because I can't go into that information too much. Angithi wathi ngoba yena umuntu wesifazane akakwazi ukuthi enze nomonde izinto angazithola kwamanye amadoda, hayi kuye yena njengomuntu wesifazane. I think ngiyibeke kangcono ke this time. So manje namhlanje mangivuke ngibone i-video from uSip and Relax, who is my colleague. Mangaba mazi uSip and Relax, guys, just type Sip and Relax lapha ku search bar kuzobona ke kune colleague yami ukuthi uSip and Relax ube post i-video uSip and Relax ethi ke Gogo Sikhotheni's husband in bed with another man. I was like, hey bo, Sip and Relax taba uyithi guy. I was like, girl. And then I watched that video yaka Sip and Relax ngayibuka nje yaphela. Yo, ngasala like yo, I was shocked. I was like, okay, so it means ke leyani into engake ngayizwa before. Kusho ukuthi ayiqiniso yini, you guys. No, it's a bad thing. I'm just delivering the news, okay? So ke ngayibuka leya video yaphela. So but mangithi ngiyabheka ubhuti alele naye empedeni lapho ngathi bayafana nyana, you guys, ngoba bengibuka na kuma comments ngathi mangibuka ama videos la kunabantu abathi hey guys why ungathi bayafana, mhlawumbe ubhuti wakhe or something, mhlawumbe ise family nje bazilelele bonke nje empedeni, ayikho nje lento yokuthi mhlawumbe ke uyi boyfriend yakho. Nami nginje guys angazi, I did not say that's his boyfriend. I'm saying kune video ke kuthiwa ke ube live izolo ka TikTok, bebe live nje lapha benobhuti lwana ke and yeah, that's what happened. Be addressa nje abantu lapha into kanjalo. So I'm gonna pull that video ngizoyithatha ke ku my colleague. Shout out to Sip and Relax, shout out my friend. So I'm gonna grab that video from Sip and Relax ke nginibonise yona just in case amazi Sip and Relax, but please also go and support her, something like that, you guys. So asibukeni ke le video le eyomyeni kaGogo Sikhotheni esembedeni ke nenye indoda ukuthi do you think bayafana the family members omhlambe le yanto sasike sayizwa nje ukuthi vele interested kwamanye amadoda ke mhlambe yayiqiniso. Mangabe nakhona kunjalo iboyfriend yakhe, all the best to them, because umonde abaseke bonke noGogo Sikhotheni they separated. We do not know if a reason yokuseparate kwabo is because lawyer ethanda amanye amadoda or ngoba khumbula exabaneni kwakhe noQueen Loli uGogo Sikhotheni uye wachaza ukuthi guys, emshadweni wami nginomonde asizange siba ngumuntu wesithathu, akuzange uke washo something like that. Mhlambe kwaba ilento yokuthi ayi umonde usifunela amajidi, angazi mina, I'm just assuming, right? Ngoba khanya ngathi ke hayi angazi bafet, but anyways asambe siyobuka le video ikaMonde Shange esembedeni nenye indoda and people are assuming ukuthi kusho ukuthi boyfriend yakhe, abanye bathi hayi bayafana lapha. Okay, let's just go and watch the video and then I guess sizoxoxa ka comment section.
But he sold his account. Look at
Kawan bayahlala level uthire.
Ngiyathola.
Ngiyathola. Ngiyathola mina. Hey bani.
Ayisibagijima manje.
Ngibabona ubuso bami.
Yo. But hey, I must unfollow.
Guys in a relationship, yo, guys. In one room. Wow. Oba tihlale roomini. Ufunani lapho? Hayibo. Backroom. Ha. Le backroom. Siphi story.
Baba mangena wena. Ukuvele gijima bakhuluma into ezinegative.
Monde ngithi monde. Ngihlale roomini happy chomi. Nakosale nabo abantu bakho. But backroom babona iTV lapho.
But I'm happy for you, but TikTok.
Ngibonile abantu abale bafollow bayingakho lapho.
Okay, Jim. Please explain.
Explain what? And that's post lapha as TikTok apha. Kumele ucela uposta kulo TikTok yami.
Zokushakela ngawaha.
Uzaposta wena lapho.
Hayibo baba Kaliyana. Nawu manje uyangidisappointa.
That's it.
Okay, let's ngiyenze request ne. Request uma ufuna ukubuza ukukhuluma noMonde.
Yeah.
Ma unga request uma ubuza ukukhuluma umbhedo.
Check.
La ba requesting.
Abana.
Ethi ngicela ngobitumen.
Khetha umuntu.
Uba nemuhle ya. Saved.
Hello.
Johnny.
Njari. As long we happy mondelala lapho ungafunda ama commentators. As long we happy njayami.
Bezobuso ukuthi mangibizi ka ngifuna ukuzona manje.
Kumnyama kunagesi angithi ngidlala eSoweto. Emafurumini nabo gogo.
Ngiyo la bathi
bathile.
Nama back room. Unamagesi.
All right now.
Tararau. Larere.
Urarere iri.
Lara.
Urarere amakomenti abedayo.
Vela ukugijima 200 phela ithi makufika wena
So 600.
600.
So people see you really want me to talk, ne?
Manje indlela engingube yi1 mangajoli. Nenzani lapho?
Silere.
Kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani ngingube yi1?
Urere.
Mangama cousins ke wine lana ngingube yi1. Nenzani?
Silere.
Nenzani. Thatha le